Have you got no sensor?
Thank you.
And on that note, we've started another video. More or less 5 minutes after we finished the last one. So I'm going to be chilling for about 3 weeks. But today, we're going to be attending some of the issues the Golf has that we know of.
Jack being main driver of one of them.
Me being a driver is one of them. Tom being a passenger is another. Tom building the car, or I should say, attending and watching me build the car is another problem. So I'm holding a light, and the first issue we're going to solve is the hesitation on the Golf. We've replaced the cam sensors, so the only other thing it could be...
No, we've scanned it and it's come back with crank sensor.
The crank sensor. So if you're watching this and you had one and you had the same issue as me with the hesitation over £3,000, this could be why. Get it scanned, you might get a vehicle speed sensor warning, and it means it's your crank sensor. There are other things we need to attend to. I'll show you one of them now while he's tinkering. This is a wheel. This is a brake caliper. These two should not meet. On my car they do. If I show you, it's been catching here. So my plan is to take the wheel off in a bit and just sand this front face down, try and get it so it's a few mil clearance, and then we're laughing. It's just this one, the other one's fine. Ignore the rusty discs. Basically, my pads are a little bit too small, which will be attended to. So yeah, that'll be coming up. Harnesses need a bit of an adjustment. And we have a rattle, so we're going to have a look at this, take it out for a drive, find the rattle, and then we're laughing. So this might be a bit of a longer video. I hope not. I've got work in the morning at 6. Tom's got Rassams to eat and women to pile in.
I have not got no women to pile in. I am a fully taken man.
A married man.
I'm a married taken man to my gorgeous, amazing girlfriend.
Who still abuses me.
And Jack just likes getting bullied.
To be, it's happened so much. It's all I'm used to. I've got Stockholm syndrome.
What the fuck's that?
Chris, you're a smart man. What's Stockholm syndrome? It's like when you're stuck in an abusive relationship, isn't it? Yeah. Not your fingering.
Not you, unfortunately.
Oh. Well, that's the end of today's video then.
There's another broken Mark IV over that side if you want to go have a look.
Oh yeah, let's have a look. You copied my brake. You've parked it in a really awkward place. So this is Lucas's Goose Bus, Pigeon Reveal. He has the same brakes as me, which are nice. They stop very well. If Powerflex are watching this, this is Polybush, and this is one of the reasons why I got Polybushing, because his handle's sick.
Yours will handle better though, because yours are black series and it's got purple series on this.
Still decent though.
Yeah.
For a fucking bus, it does fucking cool the world.
It used to roll like fuck on corners, and now it's just great.
What coilovers have you got, Lucas?
Huh?
What coilovers have you on?
eBay specials.
eBay. Oh. Right, we have got BBA C8. CH style or CH?
CH style.
They are CH style wheels. It's a bit of a budget car, but this isn't your project, is it?
No.
This is your daily, so we can forgive him. He is actually running my old wheel. If you remember the Ultimate Dubs video, this is what was my taxi for the day back. I can tell you it is comfortable. Recaro seats, they're quite nice. You doing anything else to it, or are you just saving money for the Jetta? Which we will show the Jetta one day.
I like to get some APs on it, and I don't know, it depends how I feel about it. Because it's got some niggly bits that want sorting, so once they're sorted, then I'll decide whether I want to keep it or not.
You'll obviously see this if you bump into us at shows. Lucas comes with us. He's one of our lot, so you'll see it with us.
Yeah,
So you might see some updates soon.
It will be alongside of yours.
Yeah. Pulling me when mine breaks down.
That diesel torque.
Yeah. So the only downside is it sounds like a pigeon, but I can forgive it, it's alright.
Yeah, it's a bit poorly at the moment. Doesn't want to start in the morning.
It's like 4 though, isn't it? So.
Yeah.
It looks at home on a ramp.
Spent more time on a ramp or levitating off floor than it has on floor.
It did spend like 11 months off the fucking floor. I disappeared for 2 minutes to look at Lucas's car with him, and Tom's put it in. Ow. It's meant to be quite a hard swap, but basically what's happened is that bracket is now not used as much, so this is a little bit loose.
No, that's not loose because of that.
That's just loose because it's loose.
Yeah, it's just loose because it should have a little bracket on there.
But it now doesn't.
It's not there. It's still holding up top though.
It's just a bit wobbly.
Just a bit wobbly.
But yeah, it's in. That's the apparent hard part done. So now wheel next, I reckon. So this will be a better look at it. See, fair, it's not even catching that by that much. I reckon we just take the fucking face off of it.
With what?
Sander.
One up. Sure. Should we go back 30 seconds so you line up?
Take it back, and when we test drive it, we'll soon find out. I've still got painted this at home anyway, so if we take it back by the metal.
Some 150 grit wood sandpaper, mate. Completed it.
Just word to the wires, if you're thinking about doing this, you probably shouldn't let professionals do it. I'm just going to do it. People who follow the channel know the drill. Ignore the brakes, as I said, they're just the wrong size.
Work in progress.
Well, the brake pads, they look like the right size.
They're right size, but there's a bit missing that comes further out.
Race car, not go car. So this is the road test to find the rattle. I bet it won't do it now. So we've still got a bit of brake squeal.
Was that it?
Yeah.
I'm sure it's that roof thing.
Over bumps and stuff.
That
one, that loud one. I think it's the
wing.
Can't be. The wing's bolted in as fucking tight as possible.
Mate, one of them's that. One's that. Something in that corner.
That's what I'm thinking.
It's like mine.
Still got the fucking caliper still catching then. It's warm now, so give it some stick up here.
Several small children right there.
Imagine driving it all the time. That can't be that loud one though. What was that?
You know, like yourself out when you shut boot.
Yeah, I know. What do you think to your little flat out pull?
Sick.
It's not that slow, is it? I bet you thought it'd be slower.
It's alright to be honest, I like it. It's just like driving a big version of Lupo.
It is a big Lupo, isn't it? It's just 2 Lupos. Twice the weight.
Twice price and all. there's something in there.
Well, that one's the harness, that little one. So we kind of left it off a little bit weird last time. It was like 9:30, Tom had to go, I had to be home. So we just kind of ended it. So the last thing you would have seen was that test drive. You would have heard the brakes. Now, to update on what we've done, obviously we adjusted the harnesses, they're fine. I've actually had to take one out because Elliot borrowed one. And now I've got to put it back in again. So that means Tom's got to set it up again, which is a bit of a nightmare. It's hot as fuck outside. It's ridiculous. I'm not enjoying this heat. Look at, you see this fair skin? You see this? This is allergic to the sun. I am dermatologically tested as allergic to the sun. So I've got shares in L'Oreal, so we're going to cash in at the end, we're alright. So what I actually thought was wrong was that there might be a stone caught in them. But there weren't, obviously. So I've just, we took the pads out and they were just a bit shit. Like, they'd worn down really quick. So I ordered some, I put them in last night, obviously you don't need to see them again. But I wanted to get them in because this Sunday is VAG tuner. But the wheels need a clean, because obviously they're covered in fucking brake dust. I've chucked some stickers on. We have a toe sticker for MSA like regulations and all that shit. So we've got a toe strap going in. I've got a build sign sticker, obviously Powerflex ones you've seen. This is getting changed soon, it's booked in. The door numbers are booked in. And we've got another build style on the back, more track attic ones. And I'm going to be tilting the wing back, so we're going to get a bit more. You might be able to see the other track addict one in there. Safe to them for sending them to me. Go check them out on Insta, it's down in the description. So I know you're asking two questions now. Number one, Jack, why is your hair still so shit? Don't know, ask Big John, genetics and all that. But also, why are you carrying on filming? What we're going to do is we're going to go out and bed these brakes in. So I just thought we'd chuck it in on the end, so to round off a nice video. So we're going to torque the wheels up and then we're going to go. I'm going to have a little bit of aircon on today because it is fucking boiling. Well, I quickly put on my harnesses by 621, safe Adam. See, it is weird being fat and having harnesses. So I'm going to let the car warm up for a sec. I'm not ready for this heat. If any of you have got a Mark IV and you want to like strip it out, it's fucking wicked, but there's a rattle coming from like there. So I don't know how I'm going to stop that, because that's annoying me. I think it might be hitting the cage as well. There's a massive rattle, because there's quite a lot of flex in that. I don't know how I'm going to stop that one. Can't see anything in these glasses. Still cute though. Pedal feels a bit weird though. Like, I just tried to stop then to let my neighbour walk past me. Oh no, it's coming back now. Yeah, and it just went straight to the floor, so I was panicking thinking I was going to run a Jack Russell over. It's not a euphemism either. One thing I've noticed is that because where my heel sits now, there's nothing like stopping it from bouncing around. It's weird. Because there's no carpet, when I go over bumps and stuff, my throttle control's really weird. Because it like my foot's bouncing as well. But I've ordered and we're going to put in like a rally style foot plate from Motormech. Sorry, I've got to keep popping the collar so I don't fucking cut my jugular. God, this car's good. I think we've done a good job of it. I think so anyway. I can't wait to redo this fucking sun strip. It's got some idiot put a big hole in it. So a sun strip that isn't actually blocking a lot of the sun. It's a bit of a stupid idea really. Don't know why I did that. I'm just thinking with it still squeaking, what if it's the discs? If anyone knows, could you comment down below, please? As for the Powerflex we installed, like I said in the video, properly easy. I know it's just placebo effect, but the rear does feel like it tucks in that little bit tighter, like on sharp corners. Like I've taken a few roundabouts, probably quicker than I should have. I just think with a few more poly bushes on the rear end, it would probably be awesome. You know, with the rear anti-roll bar. I reckon it just, and with the wing, I'm going to tilt the wing up a bit more. Because I went round the corner and had a twitchy bum moment and I understood I should have been turning left. And instead I went sort of straight onto a dual carriageway, doing the speed limit. There was no one on the dual carriageway, luckily. I think, in hindsight, if it hadn't been so late in the day, someone could have got in trouble. I can't really have a solution for these. I'm going to have to post about it on Facebook or something, or try and find out why, because it's annoying me now. So if you have any ideas of what it could be, if I haven't actually fixed it by now, you never know, your comment might help. If you know what my problem is, which is the ridiculously squeaky brakes that we've had. Obviously, the difference between this section and the road tests from the section previous to this video, it is better. Like, it's still fucking loud, but it's a bit better, which would lead me to believe that the discs are fucked, which is annoying. That would be my thinking anyway. But leave a like if you enjoyed, comment down below what you think, and I hope that if I did see you at Vag Tuner, thanks for coming over, hope you had a good day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers guys. I can't reach. Ready?
Don't blink, they won't even be